bird. Bird. Where's the bird?
There's actually a bird in the store.
Yeah, there's a bird.
There it is.
Oh, bird. Oh, bird.
It's up here.
Oh, it's up there. Oh, bird. Oh, bird. Oh, bird.
Where'd it go? Oh, it's over on the fence.
Oh, bird.
It's in the fence.
Oh, the bird's in the vent.
He's sus.
Yeah, sussy Becca. It's the bird. Oh, where'd the bird go? Oh, there's the bird. Oh, the bird. Let me chase that bird. Let me get that bird. There's the bird. Huh? Can I see it? The bird? Bro, I think I see the bird. The bird! Bird! The bird! The bird. The bird. Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Hey, cool. Where's the bird? Where's the bird at? There's a bird flying around. It's not in front of this bird. Is that a bird? Oh, I think I see the bird. Is he up there? Where's the bird at? Yo, I think I lost the bird. Wait. Is he somewhere? There's a bird. Oh, no, I gotta turn this off. Never mind. It's okay. Maybe. Oh, that's pretty cool. Rocking chair. Oh, is that a massage chair? There has to be a massage chair.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Massage chair. Yeah, that's cool. Now, where is that bird? I need to find that bird. I need to find a bird. Where's the bird at? Wait, is the bird up there? Yo, I think I see the bird. Yo, I think I see the bird. Yo, is that the bird? Look in the middle of the screen. Yo, I think that's the bird. Is that the bird? Yo, is that the bird? Where's the bird? Hey, yo, where's the bird? Where's the bird?
Whoa, this one's
So,
like, oh, this would be fun.
huh? I don't know where that bird is, bro. Then there's like these ice cream sandwich bites. Are they cold inside? Liars. Jolly Pops. What are these? Oh, jeez. Can I squish one? Wow. Make it feel jolly. Like, where's that bird at, dude? Okay, never mind. Well, it's gonna be the end of this video. Actually, I'll just cut when I see the bird. Wait, is that the bird? Is that the bird up there? Yo, is that the bird? Yo, is that the bird up there? Yo, that... No, that can't be the bird. Oh my god. There must be so many up there if those are two birds. Never mind. I'm hearing the birds. I'm hearing the birds. I'm hearing the squeaks. Nope, it's not me. I'm hearing them. I'm hearing them. But for you, teenage new shows are weird. Teenage. Where is that bird at? Bro, I can't find that bird. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Guys, I see the bird. The bird is back. The bird is back. The bird is back. Dude, the bird is back. There's the bird over there. Oh, you see that? The bird. The bird is back, and I thought I lost it. This is part 2 of the bird.
I'll be right there.
Oh yeah. But look, like the bird is back.
Ice Spice music.
Oh yeah. So the bird is back. Holy moly! Oh! I just saw the bird. I just saw the bird again. Oh my god. Oh, the bird. We need to find that bird. We need to see that bird. We need to know that bird. We need to eat that bird. No, I'm just kidding.
Ice
Look
Spice
at
music
this.
is low-key fire.
What the? Dude, where's that bird? Where's that bird? Is the bird over here? What? Okay. Dude, the bird is literally back. I am going all the way on this rocking chair. Hopefully the bird. Oh, is that a beanbag chair?
Yep.
Oh, yes. I love that beanbag chair. Bring it all the way from my dad's place in Odin. He will love it. Oh, my father's calling me. What is he up to? Oh. Jeez. Yo, I think the staff's coming. I think you need to put this to bed. It literally says on the shirt. Staff. Wait, the staff is going. Oh, there's the staff walking over there. All right, bye, staff. All right. Hey, yo, why you stroking the chair? All right. What do you want? Ooh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Cool. Well, I don't know where that. Oh, the bird. The bird's over there. The bird. Max, look on my camera. The bird. The bird is in the circle. Dude, the bird. The bird disappeared. Now I should jump scares us. Woo! Hey, notice, employees only. Well, I am certified as an employee, so okay. You need to see that bird. You need to find that bird. Where is that bird? Like, where's that bird? Well, I guess the bird is gone. I'm gonna record this. You're saying you'd be a good tag space, yeah. Sure. Oh, there's a room back there. Like I would love to just run, man. Yo, look at this sexy bike. Oh, sweet. Would you look at this? This is great. Treadmill. Bro, when is that bird coming back, bro? I need that bird to come back. I don't care if the copyright music. I don't even know if my video is going to get copyright strikes or not. I do not care. I want to record this bird. I want to see him flying around. And I just do not care. I want this bird. I want to see this bird flying around. The bird. Ooh. Ooh, soccer. Okay. Bird.
Reach me. Oh,
We can't reach him. Oh no. Oh, reach. Nope, we can't. Like, are there any like soccer balls? No, there's a crumb of Cheeto down there. Oh, is that it? Wait, nope, never mind. Those are score points. Well, that's a poop. Dude, Sour Patch Kids. Can I sneak it? I'm really tempted on sneaking for those Sour Patch Kids. Low key, I need to find it. You see this right here. I am tempted to know. And like the bird must be over here, cause like I could have sworn. Like it's what? Where is that bird? There's the bird. The bird. Hey, Max. No running, no. The bird. Dude. The bird. The bird's flying. The bird's flying. Where's that bird? Where's that bird? I'm recording on a Samsung Galaxy A11. 3-year-old model. Still pretty good phone. Nice video quality. Is he up there?
The bird disappeared.
The bird disappeared?
He was just on all that.
Oh
road
no.
over there.
The bird. Where did the bird go?
I don't know.
Like, imagine it was a flying squirrel. I'm real tempted on stealing those Sour Patch Kids. Where is it? I need to find it, bro. I need to find it. Where is that dude? He scared me. Alright. Yo, so we're walking over here. Let's see what's going
See all that
on.
like that mini fridge pocket?
Yeah, like, that door be looking pretty sussy, not gonna lie.
Looks like Huggy Wuggy's gonna about to come out of there. Red door. Zoom in on that. Huggy Wuggy's about to come out that door.
The hut. Bird, where's that bird? Max just saw the bird. Oh, hello, oh, okay, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Part 2 is pretty good. There isn't gonna be a part 3. Maybe there will. I don't know. I don't think I'm coming back here, but like, yeah. Part 2 is gonna be the end. We hope you guys enjoyed these bird videos. Yippee. Oh, see you guys soon.